Hi, I'm Roger.
And I'm Pat.
And we enjoy riding some of the back roads of South Africa and going out and exploring in wild places and that sort of stuff on our e-bikes.
Today we're in the most amazing nature reserve of Kogelberg. Kogelberg?
Kugel? Yes, I think it's Kogelberg.
Kogelberg.
Or Kogel, but I think it's Kugel.
Just outside the little town of Kleinmond in the Western Cape.
It's an out and back ride that they've set out here, following a jeep track up into the mountains. We rode from the gate, which makes the trip about 28 kilometers, maybe a bit more. You can do it from the office, which cuts that down to about 22 kilometers. And it's glorious, a little technical in places, needing a bit of a push if you're not used to riding off-road and on some technical stuff. But all in all, a lovely ride.